Hi everyone! We're doing this series of videos to explain what you need to know if you want to place your biopesticide on the European market. Why are we doing this? Well, we would like to provide you with a basic understanding on how these things work in European markets and to put you in a place where you can actually ask the right questions at the right moment. My name is Evelyn Gusken. I am a trained biologist. I am in scientific regulatory affairs since more than 20 years now. I usually deal with biostimulants and with biopesticides, and we help our clients to place their products on the European market. The video that you will be seeing today is the first one of its kind. It only sums up the main elements. If you're interested in details, if you need help with your registration, of course you can contact us. You will find the information down below in the comment box. You can also check out our paid videos, which will be on Patreon, and depending on when you watch this video, either we'll have already uploaded them or we will upload them. And if you want to help us publish more of these videos, then please like, subscribe and share. So I hope you will enjoy this, and let's start with the first question. The very first question that I get usually from my clients is, what do I need to do if I want to sell our biopesticide on the European market? What do I have to do? I would like to say that before you do something, there are things you need to know first, and that is what today's video is about. So I will give you a few pointers which will sum up the main questions that you have, or the main things that you have to know when you're considering placing your biopesticide on the European market. First of all, a biopesticide is regulated in the same way as conventional pesticides. And that is, they are regulated under the EU regulation 1107/2009. And whether it is bio or not does not actually make any difference. It is the same law and you have to be compliant with that regulation. Also, when we speak about Europe, of course there's the European overarching level, but we are still also have to deal with the different member states. One important thing also to notice, a biopesticide does not mean that it is automatically eligible to be used in organic farming. Organic farming in Europe is regulated by a separate set of legislation. So if you have a biopesticide that you want to place on the market in Europe, you can do that. But then in order for farmers which are in organic farming to be able to use it, it needs to undergo a separate certification. Another very important point is that if your biopesticide is on the market somewhere else in the world, be it in the US or in India or in China, it doesn't make it automatically eligible for being placed on the market in Europe. It also means that before you can sell your biopesticide in Europe, you will have to get an authorization. And in order for your pesticide, be it bio or not, to be authorized, you need to submit a dossier. But also, before even doing that, you have to make sure that the active substance, be it one or more than one, are actually approved, as it's called, at EU level. That's one very important concept to understand, is that when it comes to pesticides, biopesticides in Europe, there is this European level which actually concerns the active substance. Any active substance that you use in your pesticide needs to be approved. And that is something that you can check out in the European pesticides database. So that's the first step. Second step is your pesticide is actually a formulation of an active substance and the coformulants. And also the coformulants you need to check to make sure that actually these are not substances which are not allowed at European level. Once you have understood these basic principles or these basic things, that concern pesticides or biopesticides in Europe, then we can move on to the next questions and the next steps that you can take. That's it for the first video. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.